Books right now, your Junior 2 Clone Light feature, and here's your starting grid. Earning the most points through the qualifying rounds this evening. From out of Mexico in the number 11, it's Kinzer Groves. To his outside, Clayton Rossman in the 09. Row number 2, the 41 of Alex Schultz. To his outside, from out of Webb City, Missouri, the number 4 of Jaden Davis. Row number 3, Dalton Henson out of Arkansas in the 26D, and Trice Rodden in the 27. Noah Ames out of Buffalo will start shotgun in the number 5, Junior 2 Clone Light, and we're underway. The 41 of Alex Schultz, and he looks like he's got a fast hot rod here this evening as he starts to pull away from the field. Rossman and Groves now fighting it out for position also. Coming out of turn 4, Schultz still your leader, but watch out because Rodden now starting to make some noise in the back of the pack. Rossman, oh, around they go. And the yellow coming out. Tough break for the 09 of Clayton Rossman. He's got to have to go back to the rear of the field, and that will now put Rodden into the number 1 position. 6 down, 9 to go. New race leader, Rodden, who started 6th on the grid, being patient, was starting to make his charge now. As the leaders tangle it up, the green out, we're back underway. Here comes Groves now working the inside to make the pass. Jaden Davis now mixing it up in that number 4. While Henson is on the move. Nine down, 6 to go. And from out of Mexico, Missouri, your pole sitter, Kinzer Groves. Holding on. Now Jaden Davis from out of Webb City, Missouri, in that number 4 has been very, very patient. Has moved into that number 2 spot with a fast hot rod. Lights off. Your leader Rodden there for a little bit. Now back into the number 3 spot as they come down. Green out, and we're back underway. Groves better watch out because the pack is coming on strong. This will be lap number 12 of 15, and the action getting hot and heavy. Rodden makes the move. Meanwhile, Rossman on the charge also. White flag coming out with Rodden now in the lead. Coming down, Rodden will take the win. Davis followed by Groves, the 41 and the 09. 27-4. From the back to the front, to the back to the front again. Ladies and gentlemen, winning tonight's Junior 2 Clone Light feature. He didn't take the lead till the white flag lap. Let's give him a round of applause. The 27 of Trice Rodden. Got it? Thank you. That was an exciting race, without a doubt. Those kids put on a great show in the Junior 2 Clone Light. Now it should be